Hi guys, in last session we studied we discussed the JVM architecture, and in this session we will move with the like what is class, what is object, what is variable, what are data types, what is functions in Java. Okay, we will start with the class. In Java we have class. Class. In general, what is class? Like class is a blueprint of an object. Uh, take a like book as an example. Like whole book is have some blueprint. Like it is having some states like behaviors. We will take example like when we will like in our high school or primary school, we'll get a one blueprint of like this semester we will get this kind of syllabus. And means this book have that book having some states like behaviors. Okay, same thing like in Java also every like object is object is having object are comes from the class. Everything is comes from the class only. Okay. Next, means, like class is a blueprint of object. It having some states and behaviors. Okay. And next is a variable. But variable. Yeah. Variable means in Java, the variables means variables are a containers used to store some particular value in it. Okay. In real world, I can take example like a Godan. A Godan is a container. Like we can store multiple items there, multiple uh, uh, in computer language we call objects. We can store multiple object, different objects in a variables. So next, we will move with the data types. Uh, okay, like as I said in variable, variables are stored to different data types. But means data types are in general data types are like in variables what kind of data we are storing is called as a data types. We can store like in Godan, we can store different like solid items, liquid items, different items we can store. Same thing in Java also we can store different objects having different properties, and that is like we have different data types like uh, uh, int, char, byte, uh, long, float, double. And all these are all comes under a primitive data type. And we have one more data type called main data type called non-primitive. In this non-primitive, we'll get a class as a non-primitive data and arrays and interface also comes under non-primitive data types. Okay, and we will start with the byte. Okay, byte is byte can have one byte can have 8 bit of memory. Okay, hold 8 byte of memory. It is also used to store the integer values, but it is having a size of 8 byte. Okay, next we'll go double. Double, it is having a 8 byte of memory, but it is used mainly used to store the decimal values. Decimal values. Okay. Next, sorry, and float. Float is also one kind of data type. Float is also used to float is used to store the decimal values, but small, like it is having 4 byte of memory. Location. or bulk. Okay. Next one is a boolean. One bit only. Next we will move with the functions. What in Java, what is functions? Functions. Okay. Functions means like it is a block of code used to perform some actions. Basically, like a normal with why we per function. Function it is a specific task or reason or work, specific work. So we record as a function. Same thing in Java, Java also. We write a block of code which will perform some specific task. Example, object code which only require task and passing system dot output function. Implementing is the way. This is a block of code used to like whenever the method like method is called, it will print a hello. Means it is having some task. So this is called as a functions. We can write here we written a required means we are not returning it back. So we return the white and task. This is a method mean and public is a access modifier. You can access anywhere outside the class also. So okay. This to do in this session we will discuss more about the functions and method overloading and method overriding. Thank you.